Summer break, am I right? It's like our kids suddenly have unlimited energy and zero concept of personal space. If you're a fellow ADHD mom navigating this beautiful, loud chaos, welcome. Today, we're talking about a summer routine that won't make you hide in the pantry with a bag of chips or Oreos. Promise. Well, mostly. Hey, friends! So, summer's officially here. And if your brain currently feels like it's got 50 tabs open, all playing different videos, and sounds coming from wherever, then you've come to the right place. Welcome. As ADHD moms, the sudden summer break can be a lot to process. Do you ever feel like you need a vacation from a vacation? Yeah, me too. So let's try to make that just a little bit less chaotic and a little bit more, oh, I don't know, say simple. Our amazing yet sometimes squirrely brains don't always love a blank state. So going from that school structure to summer freedom, chaos can be, well, a bit overwhelming. Kind of like trying to herd cats. Ever start a summer project just to find it, I don't know, half done and under a pile of laundry? Great intentions for it to happen? Yeah, been there, checked that box. So what's one summer chaotic event that's already happened? Let me know. Okay, so let's just keep it real. We're not aiming for like that Pinterest perfect mom. Does that even really exist? Let's be honest. Does that unicorn exist? I don't know. I've heard of them, but I don't think they're real. Let's just aim for surviving the day. Okay? Like that is my thing. Like, can I make it through today without dying before I go to bed? Just say it. Let's just aim for surviving the day status. What's one thing if you could get accomplished that would make you feel a little less overwhelmed, a little bit like you're not just failing? For me, not have the kiddos run around with that on their head and smack into the wall, or to find a matching pair of socks. What's yours? Now for the fun part. How to keep your little tornadoes or not so little tornadoes entertained. You ready? But fun does not have to mean elaborate, extravagant, costly. Okay? Fun could be, we're talking easy wins here, like sidewalk Saturdays. Minimal effort, maximum mess, easily washes off with water. So what's a super low key way that you bring fun into your summer? Hey, also, I'm going to put the link in below on how you can download this, our fun summer routine, where you can list each day, like we are doing Movie Monday, Towel Tuesday, Wacky Wet Wednesday, Thrive Thursday, Fort Friday, for those easy, simple summer nights. And then you guys can just fill them out. And then what are some cool things? And then my 3 must-dos for the day. Like I said, even if it's just finding a matching pair of socks, or maybe we're not walking around in our pajamas all day. Like I said, I'm going to link it down below so you too can print this out or just write it down to help your summer be fun. Bye, guys. Sometimes just having the kids in the same room as I fold laundry, a truly Herculean task. Bleh. Even if they're just helping by making it a game of throw the socks. Win. Progress, not perfection, people. Cleaning in the summer can actually feel like sweeping sand on the beach. But those little cleaning bursts can actually help. Here's how. We're going to play a game. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Set a timer for 5 minutes and see what type of chaos you can conquer. It's kind of like a mini game. Rush to see who can clean the fastest. What's one tiny area that you could sprint clean right now? High five! High five! Double fives! Oh! Good job, good job. Feeding the masses all summer long can feel like a never-ending job application. My go-to anything that requires minimal effort, think sandwiches, fruit, and the occasional let's just order, or how we do, make pizza night. No shame in that game. What's your I surrender easy summer meals? Share them below. And you know what's relaxing, surprisingly, and helps us de-stress a lot? Is growing my own garden. Surprisingly, this has really good benefits for ADHD, and my kids actually enjoy helping out in the garden, picking the different plants, and it's kind of cool to like get the reward of something that you work so hard for in the garden to get those little gifts. Surprisingly fun. So what's have you guys ever tried to grow anything? Even if you don't have a backyard to grow stuff, do you know that you can actually even try to grow some herbs in like your windowsill or something? It's really fun, and it's kind of cool, easy, cheap way to engage with your kids and de-stress. And for those moments of the I'm bored that come out, some simple visuals can really help, whether it's a picture or something. I like to use the I'm bored jar. In here is very easy things like go outside and play, read a book, draw a picture, play hide and seek, stuff that doesn't cost you anything, but it's a surprise. Whatever they grab, they got to do. And this can work a lot better than endless explaining. Go outside and play. Write your own story. Draw a picture. Come up with a play. All the different things that will really help them, but also give you just, it's something to do. So, what's something that you do when your kids are bored? The most important thing to remember, my friend, is to be kind to yourself. There's going to be days when you're winning, and there's going to be days when you barely make it to the kids' bedtime. Both are valid. But what's one small self-compassion action that you can give yourself today? Just think of something just to show yourself a little bit of compassion, because parenting isn't easy no matter who you are. And for those of us that have ADHD, sometimes the overwhelm and the stress can just be 10 times as hard. So don't forget to share yourself like that. Don't forget to show yourself some compassion. Okay, so what are some of your hilarious summer survival tips? Share them in the comments below. And if this video made you smile, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe for more ADHD Mom Real Talk. You got this? And until the next video, which I'm going to be sharing those quick recipes that I help plan for the easy summer nights, real quick freezer meals. That's going to be next. See y'all later. Bye.